Gonna come here. God bless. Like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Love, love. Love you. Plain kiss. Good morning everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Now as you guys can see on the title down below, today is going to be the official day that I am going to cook my favorite dish here. That's going to be garlic buttered shrimp. Yes, it has been my favorite for such a long time, and today I'm going to cook it for the family. And it's actually morning today, so this is going to be our breakfast. But before I begin though, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos just like this. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and start. Okay, now for this dish guys, it's actually very simple. I mean, we only have about 3 main ingredients, which is, let me just go ahead and grab them. First ingredient guys is of course the shrimp. This is 1 kilogram of shrimp. Next ingredient, we have here butter. We have here some pepper, some garlic, and those are pretty much the main ingredients guys. You can put salt to taste. So I have here the butter. I'm going to put that into the pan just like that. Oh my gosh, you know what, whenever I'm cooking I feel like I'm already a mom, you know. I'm cooking this for my kids. My sister is here, Scarlett is here as well, and my papa, brother-in-law. So we are gonna have breakfast together. My mom is at work, so that's why she's not here. Now we are going to put the garlic. It smells absolutely amazing. Alright, I think our heat is so strong. We'll just wait for the garlic to be a little bit brown. We are going to put our shrimp. And that's it. That's very easy actually, guys. Okay. Good. I think our pan. Oh my god. Huh? I think our pan is too small. So we are going to save the rest of the shrimp for later. And then we'll just have to really wait for the shrimp to be orange, and that's your signal that it will be cooked. Because honestly, it doesn't take too long for the shrimp to be cooked, you know. As long as it's already orange, you don't want it to be overcooked because the shell will stick to the meat. So yeah. Okay, our pan is too small. I got 1 kilo of shrimp. I thought it will fit, but it doesn't. So we're gonna have a second batch later on. Maybe that's gonna be for lunch because this is going to be our breakfast. I know, like breakfast here in the Philippines is always very heavy. I know in the US or in Europe, you guys will just have like toast or some hash brown or, you know, some bread and stuff, oatmeal. But here in the Philippines, it's the most important meal of the day. So we always have like a really heavy breakfast. Okay, we're gonna wait for this to be cooked. And by the way guys, if you want your garlic butter shrimp to be really good, you can soak the shrimp before you cook it. You can soak it with 7-Up or Sprite or pineapple juice. It will really make your shrimp sweet. And since I don't have time for that anymore, you can just simply cook it directly and it should still be delicious. Oh my god, can you smell the butter and the garlic? Oh, yum. We're gonna wait for that in a few minutes, and then I'm now gonna put a little bit of salt. Okay, and now I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper, black pepper. Okay, so let's wait for this to be finished and we should be ready. I can already tell that the shrimp is already cooked. Okay, I have here the spoon. Let's try it, guys. I love the taste. Just the butter with the garlic. tastes so good. It smells so good as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Our garlic butter shrimp is done. Let me turn off the heat. Guys, look, our garlic butter shrimp. And now we're gonna go ahead and eat some breakfast with the fam bam. Right, I'm just gonna take some photos because when it comes to cooking, I like to share it. And by the way, if you guys aren't following me on my Instagram account, please do so. I'm very active there. That's where you can see my whereabouts on a day-to-day basis. I would usually like do some stories, like short clips and videos on my Instagram story. Or you can also follow me on my Facebook page. Everything is at meljeansolon. Anyway, now I'm gonna go ahead and try to, oh my god, take a photo of this freaking beautiful thing. Yummy. Our breakfast, guys. There you go, that's our breakfast. We just finished with breakfast. That was a really good garlic butter shrimp. And now, if you guys can remember, last night we made mango float, which is my favorite dessert. So here it is right now. It's very cold, so I'm gonna try to taste it because I have not tasted it since last night actually. Okay. There you go, guys. Look at that. That's our mango float. It looks so yummy. I'm gonna try it directly. Oh my god, it's frozen. It's frozen. Guys, it's looking like ice cream now because it's frozen. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. Mmm. Super yum. Mmm. A little ice cream. Ice cream. Mmm. Nami. Ice cream na? Mmm. Scarlett is done taking a shower. Tugnaw, di? Di? Come on, di. Ano, hi, guys. Hello, guys. I'm cold. Come on. Hush, hush.
I'm done take a bath.
Come on, na. I'm done shower.
Shower, shower.
How are you? Are you okay? Tarong nga. Are you okay? Are you okay, Tito Tom? Come here. God bless. Like. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Love, love. Love you. Playing kiss.
I wonder what you are.
Hey everyone, so it's been a few hours now. I am here actually in the city. Today is Tuesday and visit Vingal, and also I have a lot of little nicks and pieces that I need to get for the house as well. So we went to Metro Colon again today to get some stuff. For that, I'm just gonna grab something which is not available in the countryside, which is the milk tea. This is so damn good. And also, Razzle is with us. We are in Vingal's room right now, and here is Razzle. Hello! How are you doing today?
It's my first time to drink this one.
Oh, it's Razzle's first time to drink milk tea, by the way, guys. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna show you guys what are the little nicks that I got from Metro. I have here is this water bottle. I really like this one because I can put water in this and then just put it in a fridge, and yeah, I will have some cold water. This is buy one take one, and this is 170 pesos. A soap tray, 59 pesos. This is a soap pump sponge caddy, but this is actually pretty cool. Look at this. This is pretty epic. I love it. I think this was trending last time, if I can remember. So it's like that. Actually, you're going to put this one here at the top. What you're going to do is that you're going to put the dishwashing liquid here, and then all you have to do is just to pump it, and it will go to the sponge, and then there you go. It's the lazy way of doing it, as Razzle said. But no, it's not being lazy, it's being high-tech. The next thing that I got here is we have this. It's like a container. This is gonna be for the vinegar, this is gonna be for the soy sauce. So, and this is 64 peso. And then I have this little canister. I have 1, 2, 3. These cost 39 peso, and I got this because I wanted to try to separate or put the salt or sugar or whatever, so I decided to get 3 of these. And then I also have this little plate. It looks pretty. This is exactly the same design as the ones that I have in the country, right? And this is 39 peso each. I got 5 of these. I got this so that we can have like sauce or ketchup or whatever. You can put it here. Next is the very important thing, which is really a necessity, because I realized whenever we eat, we don't have this. We don't have a serving spoon. Okay, so I have here 2 serving spoons. This is like for the rice or, you know, for the dish. This one costs 89 peso each. I got 2. And the next one is, this is a soup serving spoon, and this is 189 peso. This is quite pricey, but the reason why I got this because it's actually it's sturdy enough, I think, and yeah, it looks good and the quality is good as well. And then the next one that I got, actually this is Bingles. This is a spoon and fork holder travel case. She's not gonna put spoon and fork here. She's gonna put like toothbrush for traveling, which is a good idea. So I got one for myself as well, because whenever I come here in the city, I have one to put my toothbrush. Next, last but not the least, guys, we have here this food cover. Look at that. It's so pretty. Bingo thought this is a strainer, but it's not. I told her this is actually a food cover. So whenever we have some leftover, all we have to do is just to put this on top of the table, and yeah, there will be no flies going around the food. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Everything I have paid 1,361 pesos, so it is about 28 US dollars. Good evening, guys. So we are here in Ayala right now. We are having dinner with Razzle and Bingo. Hello. Hi. We are here in Watami restaurant. This is a Japanese restaurant, and the food has arrived. Here it is. Actually, this is just my food. Their food hasn't arrived yet. Alright guys, so this is Razzle's first time to eat California maki, or like sushi. And then we have here some chopsticks. That's what you're gonna use to actually pick this up. She's looking for a spoon and fork. You can just pick it up. No, you have to use this. Come on, that's for real. I'm gonna try. See, look. Like this. Okay, come on, try. Don't drop it. Come on. You have to try this one first. This is it's very good. That's why it's such a small thing. This is the best one. Just, you can get a lot. And then put it in your mouth, and then after this one. Come on, try this one first. Get a lot. Get a lot. It doesn't smell. Get a lot. Okay, yeah, you can get that. It's so small. How does it taste? It's wasabi. Okay, try this one then. This one is good. I tell you, trust me. I'm gonna give this to you. Promise, this is so good. Yeah, it's good. Promise. Yeah. It's not like that. Yeah.
And this one.
That's California mac. Is it good? It's good, right? Yeah.
This.
We finished with our dinner. Razel went home and I am here in Bingol's apartment. There she is. We are quite full with that Japanese restaurant. I would highly recommend it. It's called Watami in Ayala Terraces. And yeah, that was my second time to go there because their food is really good. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here, guys, because we're gonna go and watch some movies and I'm gonna edit this vlog for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.